Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha powder for weight loss. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb known for its potential to help the body cope with stress. Chronic stress can sometimes lead to weight gain, so managing it effectively is a key step. We'll explore how incorporating this natural supplement into your routine might support your weight management goals. Understanding its benefits and proper usage is essential for achieving desired results. Ashwagandha primarily aids weight loss by reducing cortisol levels. High cortisol is often associated with increased appetite and fat storage, especially around the abdomen. By lowering this stress hormone, ashwagandha can help regulate your body's response to stress. Furthermore, it may boost your energy and improve muscle strength, which can support a more active lifestyle and better workout performance. For optimal results, a common starting dosage for ashwagandha powder is between 250 milligrams and 500 milligrams per day. You can easily mix the powder into a glass of water, milk, or your favorite smoothie. Consistency is key, so try to take it at the same time each day. It often takes several weeks of regular use to notice the full benefits, so be patient and persistent with your routine. Before adding ashwagandha or any new supplement to your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your dosage as necessary. Remember, individual results can vary. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.